Get your gel black liner and create a cat eye eyeliner. Line the entire crease with it. It doesn't have to be neat just yet. Bring the gel liner in the outer corner of the eyes. Cover the entire eyelid with it. Next comes the eyeshadow. Shimmer shadow on top of the eyelid. Such a beautiful color. It goes so well with the black liner. It's getting better and better. Add another shimmer on the inner corner of the eyes. All you gotta do is blend well. That's what makes it better. Line the lash line with gel liner. This eye makeup look is getting so much better. Make it a smoky eye look, smudging the liner out. It was so easy and simple to do. Focus a little bit more on the inner corner. Do the finishing touches and this process is done. Highlight the inner corner and brow bone. A little bit of mascara and voila! Isn't it gorgeous?